The so-called three judicial reform laws have now taken effect. The constitutional complaint against court rulings, which allows finalized verdicts to be challenged, and the crime of legal distortion aimed at punishing judges and prosecutors were implemented immediately. On the first day, 16 constitutional complaints were filed, and Supreme Court Chief Justice Hee-de became the first target of a legal distortion complaint.
Democratic Party lawmaker Yang Moon-seok has lost his seat after a loan fraud conviction was finalized. After the ruling, he mentioned filing a constitutional complaint. In a social media post, he said that if the Supreme Court ruling overlooked the basic rights of his family, he would seek judgment of the Constitutional Court. On the first day of judicial reform laws implementation, 16 complaints were filed, including cases of a Syrian deportation order cancel request and state compensation for delayed court ruling on damages to a fisherman abducted by North Korea.
헌법재판소에 다시 한번 물을 수 있는 기회가 있다라는 거는 우리 사회의 여러 가지 갈등을 해결하는 데 있어서 긍정적 기능을 할 수 있지 않을까.
Regarding the crime of legal distortion, for which judges and prosecutors can be jailed for up to 10 years if they intentionally distort the law, Supreme Court Chief Justice Hee-de was the first target of a petition. He has been accused by the police and the Corruption Investigation Office for high-ranking officials over the top court overturning President Lee Jae-myung's acquittal last year in an election law violation case. The number of Supreme Court justices currently at 14 will also increase by 4 each year in 2 years' time to eventually rise to 26. And 22 of them will be appointed by President Lee. Court chiefs nationwide are discussing related follow-up measures for 2 days through Friday.